This is how I made 450 euros in 60 minutes. So one of the biggest mistakes I see beginners do is just looking at this chart and saying, oh, it's trending upside. Yes, it's trending upside, but in the short-term trend. But if we zoomed out, we will know that this is a short-term trend, but the main trend is trending downside, like this here. So today, while looking at the 15 time frame chart, I saw it like very extended for the upside, and I saw a very big momentum. So moving down to the 1 time frame chart, I was looking at this very big move to the upside, and in this zone actually I wanted to short it, but I was waiting just to break this level because I didn't want to risk a double bottom here. So in this candle I was gonna short it, but it just seemed like very weak, and it got a very big wick right here, so I didn't enter the trade. And actually I was right, because it started to rally up and it was just making a higher and higher move. And knowing this, I wanted to take the correction to the downside. So with the parallel move right here, I wanted to mark up my zone just to know when will it break the short time trend. So I marked out this range right here, and I wanted to take the short momentum downside. So at this zone I started seeing that the price is showing rejections and showing liquidity here, and I don't enter any trade without the liquidity. So I saw a very big wick right here, and the price didn't want to pass this zone. So when I saw this bearish candle, I entered the trade right here. My stops is just above the candle, and my target was this demand right here, because it can touch the demand and rally up. And while it was correcting to the upside, I was watching this zone because I know this is a very good demand zone. This candle right here. So once it touches the zone and was going downside another time, I entered another trade right here. But in my second trade, the risk to reward was not very good, because I wanted to put my stops right here just to be protected above the zone. And the take profit is the same level like the previous trade. And after 1 hour of waiting, it just hit my TP. So this was my trade for today, 2.90% and 1.80%. So almost like 5% for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in another day.